This is the welding machine for mold repair. Mainly contains 3 parts: host, workbench, and chiller. Let's look at the connection of the chiller. This is the water input. Inject pure water. Water injection reaches the green standard line. Let's see water pipe connection. The outlet pipe of the water machine passes through the filter. Connect to the host water inlet pipe through this pipe. After water comes out of the host machine, return to the water inlet of the chiller. This is the sewage outlet. Open the valve and let the water flow out. This one is the overflow port. When the water is full, it will automatically overflow. This line is the signal line connecting the host. This cord is the water machine power cord. The water machine power cord is 380 VA, contains 3 live wires, 1 neutral wire, and 1 ground wire. Brown, red, and blue are the lines of fire. Black is the neutral wire, yellow is the ground wire. Then look at the host connection. The power cord is 3-phase, 380 VA. There are 5 power cords for the host. Brown, gray, and blue are the lines of fire. Black is the neutral wire. Yellow is the ground wire. This is a laser light control pedal. Here connecting the protective gas. We recommend using nitrogen or argon. This is the emergency stop switch. It can be suspended in case of emergency. This is the key to the host switch. This is the signal connection line between the host and the workbench. This signal line is the connection of the lifting pedal. Black foot pedal controls up and down. Red foot pedal controls left and right. This button adjusts the spot size, here. This button adjusts the focusing lens angle, here. This button adjusts focus left and right. This button adjusts the focus up and down. This is touch screen. Can switch to English mode. Select 1. You can adjust the parameters to match welding. Now let's start welding.